Caraway is the first company in the world to introduce a new, innovative approach to car spraying. It will enhance quality and reduce solvent emissions by 70% and energy consumption by around 25%. Faster, more cost-effective, with improved quality control. This is the first car spraying system on the after-sales market for cars with an industrial approach, and many revolutionary ideas when it comes to ways of working more effectively and still creating a pleasant workplace for the employees. A large part of the equipment has been developed using Caraway's ideas and innovative approach, in combination with skilled companies on the market. The production line is 35 metres long and about 6 metres wide, and has the capacity for approximately 25 to 30 cars a day. This is where small-scale damage to the car is prepared and repaired. There are no solvents, just water and UV. The primer is UV-based with no irregularities, and it dries in about 2 minutes. UV filler is also used for small-scale damage. This improves the quality of both the employee's workplace and the work that's done on the car. At Caraway, rigorous demands are imposed in every area, and the employees work in 2 teams of between 2 and 3 people per car. The routines are well established, and the staff have different levels of knowledge and skills. This makes the work faster and more flexible, depending on the damage to the car. The spray booths are designed to save energy. They're controlled by different alternatives and signals, such as compressed air and material application. We have a paint technician for every spray booth to check both the colour and the match. So, when the car enters the spray booth, the paint that's going to be used has already been mixed. The car sprayer also works in a new way, using a method we call SMART. Applying the paint in this way minimises the differences in colour that can sometimes occur when a car is sprayed. Only water-based paint is used, and a UV topcoat is then applied. This UV topcoat has no irregularities and a high lustre. It's easy to apply, and the sprayer can work at his or her own pace without the paint drying during application. This minimises the risk of what is known as dry damage. This brings us to a more revolutionary product that Caraway has helped to produce: UV hardening equipment. The UV topcoat can be hardened in just 2 to 5 minutes, and the work is finished. There's no risk of so-called bubbles, irregularities, or dry damage. This topcoat is harder and more resilient than previous types and saves a great deal of energy. The car is now finished. It's checked by a quality inspector, the masking is removed, and the car is taken out for delivery. In the unlikely event of the car failing the inspection, the problem is rectified immediately. As we have no solvents in our material, there's no risk attached to handling a recently painted surface of this kind. The lack of solvents has eliminated one major problem that was previously associated with car spraying.